Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Millie's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for intermediate level part 3. In this lesson today we're going to talk about the last type of pronoun, and that is relative pronouns. Now they are pronouns which join two clauses or two parts of a sentence. That's why we call them relative. They are, in fact, connecting words. Now, these are the relative pronouns. The first one is who. It is used for people and used in subjective and objective cases. Number 2 is whom. It is also used for people, but only used in objective case. 3, that. It is used for people, animals, and things. It can be used in subjective and objective cases. And the last one is which. It is used for animals and things. And it's also used in subjective and objective cases. Remember, that is an informal word here and it can be used instead of all the relative pronouns. Let's make some examples. I have a friend, he lives in London. There are two clauses, I can combine them. I can simply say, I have a friend who or that lives in London. So it is the subjective case because it is used instead of he, which is a subjective pronoun. Number 2, the boy was a student, Ali taught him. You can say, the boy whom Ali taught was a student. It's used in objective case. 3, the car is expensive, it is made in Japan. So you can say the car which or that is made in Japan is expensive. It's used in subjective case. Now let's do an oral exercise. Fill in the blanks with who, which, or that. Let me do the first one. Mr. Richards, so lives on the corner, is a taxi driver. Since I'm talking about Mr. Richards as a subject, we should use who. And it's obvious that you can also use that. Good luck with the rest of them. Alright, so now let's talk about the answers. Number 2, this is the girl who or that comes from Spain. That is Peter, who has just arrived at the airport. Thank you very much for your email, which was very interesting. And the children who shouted in the street are not from our school. This concludes our session for today. Remember, there was an exercise in the same video that you have to perform. This was just a short version of our today's lesson, and the very lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much.